This is a test electronics video demonstration of our new prober product with a removable press plate. Now this is the 22-inch wide prober, 22 by 15, and the press plate removes with 4 screws right on the top here. You simply unscrew these 4 screws and the press plate will come right out, and what the point is to be able to swap these plates quickly for multiple products, because different products will require different press down rods in different locations, and you just take out the press plate for product A with the press down rods, and just imagine it has press down rods in it, and put in the plate for product B with press down rods and screw it right in just like this. So tighten all 4 screws. And it's that easy to switch out press plates for different products. And then you're good to go with the new product press plate in. Now then what you would do also is you would change the bed of nails plate, which is the same as all prober type test fixtures. Depending on the size, they either have 6 screws, 3 on each side, or this one has 8 screws because it's a wider version. It's 22-inch, and it has 2 screws back here. Sometimes they have 1 back here, sometimes none. And then once all 8 screws on this one are removed, I've got the bottom panel off. You just lift out the bed of nails plate just like this, and it comes right out. I've taken all these screws completely out. It'll lift right out, and you change and you put in a new bed of nails plate, and with the new prober locations for product B. So it's that simple now to change these plates with this new prober fixture with the quick change press plate. In the past we've got 2 other products, the standard prober with press down rods and the adjustable prober. Let me show you those here. I'll just tighten these screws back down. So that's how long it takes to change from one plate set to another. I'll move this over to the side, and let me pick out a smaller version so it's a little easier to handle. Now this is the old prober with the Lexan press plate. Now these are both clear Lexan. Just realize that it's got some white film on it to protect it in shipping and handling so it doesn't get scratched up, but it's actually 1/2-inch Lexan clear, so you can see through it. All of them are clear now. We don't make any more press plates with HDPE with the white stuff, so realize that's clear. Okay, so basically this is the old prober with the old style press plate, lower cost, no frame like this, and it is also fairly quick and easy to change. You just push out the hinge pin, remove pressure from it, and we push out the hinge pin here. Move that a little bit so that it loosened up. That's been in there for a while in storage. And then you pull out the hinge pin, and you can change different plates. Just that easy to remove a press plate. And the bed of nails plate's the same way. This has 3 and none in the back. So then you would just put the new press plate in and put your hinge pin back in to change products. The only problem is, well, let me not put that in just yet. The only problem is this is way more than a 1/2-inch Lexan plate. It's got a handle attached to it, a rod, and if it has a lever latch attached to it, it's even more. And it's got the whole hinge assembly attached to it. So this whole unit can be quite expensive, much more expensive than just a square piece of plastic with 4 holes drilled in it. So the idea is that if you have a bunch of products, 4 or more products perhaps, then it's more economical to get this type where you can just change the press plate out, and the press plate is just a square piece of Lexan. I'll have the guys tap that back in later. And the other idea, the other method we used to use back in the, before we had this unit, is to have these adjustable ones where you can adjust this back and forth and adjust the press plate, but that required time to do all this adjusting and set it each time you changed products. So this ended up being a great efficient way to change between multiple products, and we'll be building these to order. They won't be in stock, but they only take a few weeks to make, and you'll be probably wanting to order a lot of bed of nails plates and press plates with this. So expect about 2 weeks for this. We might make this a product that we keep in stock eventually. It depends on how these sell in the market. But anyway, so that's the new Prober 22 by 15-inch test fixture with press down rods, a quick change press down rod plate. If you have any questions or want to see more information, there's more information on testelectronics.com. Thanks for watching.